Alright, so I got the G90 over here. We'll see. I don't know if I have everything I need. Let's get this out of here. Okay. I've got this fan base on the bottom here. Okay. So, and it'll have to come off, unfortunately. So now what we got to do is you got to remove all of these. And we're going to put on these crazy green things. Okay. So I am not a fan of the shape of these rails, but until I learn to design my own stuff, I'm kind of limited to whatever is available out there. And this was the only thing I could find for the G90. So it is what it is. These factory things aren't too bad. It would at least offer some sort of protection, I guess. I think the front ones are the worst. They're just too skinny. Come on. But I really am very careful with this radio because its controls feel kind of delicate, you know. Although one thing that's kind of interesting about it, oh boy, is other than the knobs and stuff, everything actually is metal on this radio. So I don't think the screws are going to fit because I didn't realize how small they are, and I highly doubt that I have anything that's going to fit. But and that's exactly how, you know, it's not quite wanting to fit in the cutout. Let's see. It looks like somebody who designed this maybe never actually made one. So these appear to be they're almost a little bit wider, maybe. So let me see if I can get one of these down in here and see how far it'll actually go through. It won't even go through at all. So okay, so it looks like these, if they would have made them a little bit differently, you possibly might be able to use the factory screws. But I'm looking through here, and to me it looks like this stuff is about as thick as a screw I just dropped on the ground all by itself. So you would need a screw about double that length to put these onto this radio. And you might have to fiddle around in here with this area. So if you print this properly, it's going to have those you'll have to remove. I'd much rather have something like this, but this is what's available. So anyway, let's just get an idea of what's this going to look like. It's not fitting. Okay. So it's not off by much. I'm not even sure. Does it fit on the end here? Sort of does. I'm not really sure where they screwed up, so I got to figure that out before I can correct it. And it's definitely not right on that side. Yeah, so anyway, these aren't going to fit without removing about the thickness of this material right here. I don't know if you see how thick that is. You're going to have to remove probably close to that, or, somewhere around that to get this to fit. So, sorry, I'm not able to install these at this point, but if you see those on Thingiverse and you want to print them, just know that you'll have to modify them, and you'll need screws that are twice as long, if not more.